Hello friends, I'm Leena. So today we'll be doing some activities. I have observed that it's difficult to create a learning atmosphere around children. We are always stuck that how to involve them in activities. It's quite challenging for everyone, but no problem. I have some solutions for you. Let's not waste time. चलो खेलते हैं क्योंकि खेलते खेलते learn हो जाए. So, I would like to start with alphabet recognition. By doing this activity, kids will learn how to make alphabets. And here I have some salt and some alphabets written over there, and with the clip. Sorry, I didn't find some thumb pins, so I use this homemade things, hairpin and another the pin which we use for clothes. So here the kids will copy these alphabets on this salt which we have given them on the plate. So let me show you how they will copy this alphabet, and they will learn the structure of the alphabet. See this? It's quite easy for us. Really easy for us. Just drag this, copy it. It's quite simple. Really simple for the kids. They will enjoy, really enjoy. Here you don't need any stationery. See this? I'm just removing this. Again, I'm on the back situation where there is nothing is drawn over there, and you can again redraw it. See, check this. I'm drawing once again. I've just drawn one line, then two line, and another one, the third line. Alphabet A is ready now. It's for this activity is actually for kids for the initial level. ये activity बहुत छोटे बच्चों के लिए है, जब वो चलना सीखते हैं, बोलना सीखते हैं. उसके बाद उनको घर पे जब हम प्रैक्टिस करवाते हैं तो ये घर की प्रैक्टिस के लिए है. This practice can be practiced in the school also. So अब मैं आपको फिर से दिखाती हूँ. Let me show you. Again, sorry for these pins, which is maybe not looking very good, but I always wanted to use these pins. But this was my idea, and these see this. If you the A has been created, and now I'm going to change the alphabet. Now I've taken out. I'm just going to take out this alphabet. Now another one is B. So in our time we always learnt like A for apple, B for boy. Even today when I'm doing these activities, in my time these activities were not there. So I was thinking that मेरे को क्यों नहीं पढ़ाया in this way, why I was not so fortunate for this. So now it's really fun to teach kids. It's my experiment when I tried these activities with the kids to learn like this. So when they draw it, and before they're drawing on this plate with salt, so I always enjoy when I teach them that in this way you create A, B, and some another things which I want them to learn. So now I have just drawn a B. Okay, so now see, we are again on the back situation. Here they can also learn thumbprints. If you want to tell them this is your hand, I've got thumbprint over there. So these activities, they are really enjoyable. This is my experiment, and when I teach the kids, they learn. They actually learn. They actually see their elders to write on the papers with the pencil or pen, but their learning idea is really different. Actually, it is a learning plus activity, so which is my main motto. So now let's jump on another activity. I would not like to waste more time with the one activity. So I have another activity for you. There is alphabet Again, alphabet recognition. So today's topic is alphabet recognition. So now in the first activity they recognize the alphabet, but in the second activity now they are going to match the alphabet. This is the called matching the alphabet activity. Here I have used this cardboard, and this was the packaging board. So as you can see over here, and this was a wastage which was kept in my home. So I thought, why not let the kids work on it. So I have drawn with the cap of some, there was a wastage cap, here a wastage cap, these here I've used. And as you can see, I have written ABCD. So here I have, after writing ABCD, I have used some bottle caps over there, where I have written with the marker ABCD again. The kids will copy these alphabets. They will keep these alphabets. Which alphabet? The caps of the bottle. These are the wastage caps, and I used it so they can match over here. They will keep these alphabets on the written alphabets, where I have written on the board. So you can see how I'm keeping all these alphabets on their proper designation. They should be there only. See this, this is a really easy exercise. I mean, these both exercises are really easy, unmatchable. I mean, this exercise is of matching the alphabets, but this is actually unmatchable. Voila. Très bien. This is really good exercise. In this way, I mean, these exercises are so simple and accessible. So these are simple DIYs that you can do at your home. It's very easy. But in this way, through these exercises, through these activities, children will come to know how to match and draw with these activities. They will try to think and learn. So see you soon in next video. Keep sharing this video, and if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, you know what you opposite of thumbs up. So if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you don't like, so unlike button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.